I am Dr. S. Mishra. I am a dental surgeon and I welcome you all to our channel Now Ask the Doctor. Unlike the first wave of coronavirus infection, more children are becoming infected with COVID 19 in this second wave. Today we will discuss about how will you protect your kids from coronavirus infection. In children, the virus causes a mild illness, but in some cases, severely infected children are suffering from the rare disease multi system inflammatory syndrome. The symptoms of coronavirus infection in children are fever, mild cough, vomiting, diarrhea, fatigue or becoming less energetic, body ache. These are the common symptoms. Now let us discuss in a point-wise manner about how will you protect your kids from coronavirus infection. So let's begin. Firstly, if you have babies at home, then before touching your babies, thoroughly wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Wear a mask at home if you are not feeling well. Now limit your contact with your child as much as possible until your symptoms have stopped. Don't allow many people, like relatives or friends, visiting your house during this peak time of the pandemic. I know this is very tough to maintain, but you have to be strict this time. Avoid any events and gatherings during this peak time. Even avoid parks during this peak time of the pandemic. If your child is above 2 years, then teach them and encourage them to wear mask whenever they step outside. Now children are very good learners. So if you teach them, they will always follow it. Instruct your children not to shake hands during this pandemic. Tell people who are coming from outside not to touch your child's cheeks or face without washing or sanitizing their hands. It is better to avoid kissing your child or babies during this pandemic if possible. At least tell the people who are coming from outside not to kiss your babies during this pandemic. Then teaching and practicing hand hygiene. Now your child learns by watching you. So you have to follow good hygiene habits in front of them. Encourage them to wash their hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Just show them the proper way of hand washing. Now, if they are using hand sanitizers, there is always a chance of getting it inside their eyes and they may accidentally swallow it if they are very young. So, always supervise them while using hand sanitizers. In case of children, prefer soap and water more than hand sanitizers. Teach them not to touch their eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands and to cover their nose and mouth while sneezing. To protect your kids and prevent the spread of coronavirus, you need to clean your home daily, especially the areas that are highly used. This includes the door knobs, then the staircase railings, then furnitures like the refrigerator door, the sofas, the tables, also the toys of your kids. Now, if you are living in a complex, then be very careful while using the common space. Always wear mask whenever you step out of your own flat. Sanitize your hands after using the elevators or lifts. Also sanitize your kids' hand if they touch the railings of the staircase. If any caregivers or maids are coming to your house, then instruct them to change their clothes after they enter the house and also to wash their hands and feet properly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds and also give them a proper mask so that they can wear it during their working hours. That's all. These are the few important points you should take care of. If you find our video informative, then please subscribe to our channel for more health related videos and informations. Please hit the like button if you find this piece of information useful, and please share our video with your near ones. Thank you. Stay healthy and stay happy, and also stay safe.